The Bharatiya Janata Party is set to file a contempt of court petition against Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. This decision follows the Wayanad MP's support for her brother and leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and claims that Supreme Court cannot decide who is anti-national. On filing a contempt of court petition against Priyanka Gandhi, BJP MP Manan Kumar Mishra says, and I'm quoting, she has committed a contempt of court by making so many statements before the media. Therefore, we are going to file a contempt petition against her because she has been making such irresponsible statements without knowing what the court intended to say to Rahul Gandhi. The petition will be filed by the bar and the lawyers. The public of this country will not tolerate such irresponsible statements, unquote. Separately, BJP leader Amit Malviya hit out at the Gandhis, saying the smug entitlement of the family is not just baffling, it reeks of contempt for the judiciary. There was no immediate reaction from Ms. Vadra or the Congress at the time of recording. A little background on this latest and ever-continuing battle between the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. On Monday, the Supreme Court stayed proceedings against Mr. Gandhi before a Lucknow court over his remarks on the army that China had covered some 2,000 square kilometers of Indian territory during his December 2022 Bharat Jodo Yatra. However, the court reprimanded Mr. Gandhi by saying that if he was a true Indian, he would not be saying these things. Reacting to the top court's remarks, Ms. Vadra told reporters on Tuesday, quote, with due respect to the honorable judges of the Supreme Court, they do not decide who is a true Indian. It is the duty to ask questions and to challenge the government. It is the job of the opposition leader to ask questions, unquote. In a post on X, Mr. Malviya said that the court must take suo motu cognizance of Ms. Vadra's remarks, just as it did in the case of Nishikant Dubey, referring to the top court's censure of BJP MP over his remarks against it and the Chief Justice of India. Quote, the law must apply equally to all. The Gandhis cannot be allowed to believe they're above it, Malviya said. On Monday, the top court censured Mr. Gandhi over his alleged derogatory remarks about the Indian army. The court had said, you are the leader of the opposition. Why don't you say such things in the parliament? Why do you have to say it on social media? Why do you make these statements without any material? If you're a true Indian, you would not say such things. The Congress and India bloc had immediately backed Mr. Rahul Gandhi in the aftermath of these comments, claiming that as a leader of the opposition, he had a right to ask these questions.